Thank you for again taking the time out to spend some time, looking at our product, J3 Enterprise solution. It is again a retail management solution that is designed to supercharge your retail business. So what you're looking at here, this is how do you get J3? Um, so J3 currently you can find J3 at j3enterprisesolution.com. This is where you will find everything related to J3, who is using J3, how you can participate in J3, what's the cost, how you can get support, and all of those nice things about J3. So if you head over to the J3 store, you can actually purchase your J3 um, solution directly from us. We do include a number of hardware here. These are pretty much standard hardware. So if you decided um, to install and use J3 in your production environment, we do recommend that you use recommended hardware. We does not support legacy hardware, so we do recommend that you purchase non-legacy hardware. Um, you can also download J3 directly from here. Very, very, very important. Please pay attention to the system requirement. If your system does not have these kind of hardware, then you will definitely have some performance issue. In the J3 product lineup, we also include a free software called J3 Voice. This is a software that you can actually use to to play announcement over PA system. You can automate your announcement using text to speech um, um, text to speech engine to automate announcement within your supermarket or your store. Um, and it's actually free. And I will have a separate video on this software and how it actually works. Um, J3 J3 can also be free. If you're a software developer and you want to um, get the code and set it up yourself and do it yourself, that's fine. You can send us an email to our support address and just let them know that you are requesting access to the GitHub repository, and you will have access to the code to set it up yourself and do it yourself. There's also an archive of the J3. Um, I'm clicking it and it's not opening. I'm not sure why. There's an archive that you can download old version. I'm gonna try access it from our company website. There's an archive that you can actually go and download J3. So I'm trying to access it from our company website, Computer Expert. So if I go to um, downloads, there's a Google Drive, and it includes an archives for J3. So for example, the SQLite version is a version that we are using. All the other versions are actually deprecated. So the SQLite version, if you go here and you go to master, you will see a list of old versions that you can actually download. And we try to keep the archive as up to date as possible. Sometimes it's a bit out of date, but we try to keep it as up to date as possible. Very important. Again, pay attention um, to the system requirement. And we does not support legacy system. Windows 10 is the minimum requirement operating system. 64-bit is better because you can get more memory. Um, and if you're running background jobs, which we will talk about, you should have at least 8 GB of RAM. Um, we do have PDF manuals. We typically don't have them available on the site because sometimes you have to customize them for your business. However, we are moving to having a central repository for the manuals, and we will make them available. In terms of forum support, forum support is managed through Enterprise Technology Forum. So you can go ahead and head on over to Enterprise Technology Forums. If you're a developer, or if you want to do it yourself, this is where you need to go. This is the place you need to go. Um, you can definitely get tutorial on how to install J3 for yourself, and also how to integrate J3 with ARP Next. And that's our default um, backend support. J3 does support ARP Next out of the box by default. That is there by default. All other integration will have to be done through some form of projects. But ARP Next is available out of the box. We can host your ARP Next instance for you, or you can host it in your own ARP Next cloud, and J3 will create that integration for you by using this document. So yeah, that's how you pretty much get J3, set it up for yourself, and also um, get support. It's important to note that support is not free. There is a cost, and that is dependent on what type of support you want for your business. However, if you want to do it yourself, um, using forum type support, you can do it yourself. Um, and that will be entirely up to you, and you can get it done free. All right, thank you.